and welcome back to A Better Tech LLC. Today, we're going to be talking about some common Windows issues that you might not know. Let's get started. Let's say you're having trouble with your computer and have to take it into your favorite local tech support place. When you check in the computer, one of the things they're going to ask you for is your Windows password and any other passwords that are required to get into your computer, such as your BitLocker passwords or your Windows PIN. Your Windows PIN is not the same thing as your Windows password, however, so be sure to provide both your PIN and Windows password if you're using a PIN. If you do not remember your Windows password, you can change it by going to Start, Settings, Account, Sign-in Options, Password, Change. Here, you're going to put in your PIN. This section may ask you to verify your identity via text message, recovery email, or security questions. It's very important to keep up with this information, as if you do not know this information and need to change it, you'll be locked out of your account for 30 days before it'll allow you to update it. Once you have verified your identity, create your new password and click Next. So now you know your password and you've provided it and the PIN to your technician who's going to be working on your computer. Wonderful. Let's say that you get a call saying that they're going to have to factory reset your computer and will have to reinstall all your programs. In order to restore full access to your programs, you may need your product key. It's very important to keep up with your product keys, as if you do not have them, you may have to repurchase keys or contact customer support of the program in order to regain access to program features. You may instead have a username or password that's needed to restore functionality, like with Outlook. Outlook requires you to sign in with your Microsoft account that your Outlook product is linked to in order to restore your access, so it's very important to keep up with your product information in order to minimize downtime. Let's check out Office.com. Here, you can install Office, check out your account features, see all your recently viewed items, and access all of your apps. Your BitLocker recovery key, if you're using BitLocker, is also stored here. Office has several different subscription models, from home, business, enterprise, and education. The home version lets you get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, OneDrive, and Skype for Business. And at the time of this recording, it's $6.99 a month or $69.99 a year for one person. Or you can get it for 2 to 6 people for $99 a year or $9.99 a month. This means that even though you're buying it one time, it will give you licenses for up to 6 people. The education version is specifically for schools and universities. The business version ranges from $5 per user per month to $20 per user per month, and each level provides different applications and features. The enterprise version ranges from $8 per user per month to $57 per user per month, and each level contains different apps and features, as well as storage cap limits and compliance. You can also buy Office 2019 at the time of this recording as a one-time purchase of $249.99. This is for a one-time use key that cannot be shared with other users. Along with product keys, you'll need to provide a list of programs that you want reinstalled on your system, as there are an absolute ton of programs out there, so having a list of which ones you want back on your system will help you get back up and running faster. During a reset, it's very likely you will lose your saved passwords, bookmarked, and cached data. For this reason, it's important to use password managers such as LastPass, Dashlane, or Keeper, and the browser sync feature in order not to lose your information. You can also use a backup service like Carbonite, Acronis, iDrive, or Backblaze to create a backup of your files, programs, and browser history. Really, you need to make sure that all of your information, from your product keys to your programs and passwords, are all securely backed up, and that your backup system access information is stored in a secure location. Let's talk about how to turn on the browser sync feature. In Google Chrome, click on the profile at the top right corner here, and click Turn on Sync. This will prompt you to log into the account that you want to sync your data with. When you get your computer back, all you have to do is install Google Chrome, click on this person icon, and click on Turn on Sync. Log in with the same username and password, and all of your bookmarks and browsing history will be restored. In Firefox, click your little person icon up here and click Turn on Syncing. This will prompt you to sign into Firefox with your account or create one. And the same thing as with Google Chrome. When you get your computer back, download and sign back into Firefox and you'll be good to go. This has been A Better Tech LLC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell icon for notifications. See you next time!